This is the Mini Wi-Fi Camera A9 China, the smallest Mini Wi-Fi camera on the market. We show you how to configure your A9 Mini Wi-Fi camera in the v720 application in just minutes. Once you download the application from the Google Play Store, open the application on your cell phone. Click on Add Camera and activate your Bluetooth connection. Press the Mode button for a few seconds and set your Wi-Fi network data. The application will detect your mini camera to add it to your cell phone. When you add it, you will be asked to give it a name to identify it. After that, the application will show you the real-time video playback of your A9 Mini Wi-Fi camera in a few seconds. It is undoubtedly an easy and simple process that allows you to give security to your spaces with this mini camera. Very remarkable for a very economical minimalist camera. We will now show you the configuration settings in the application. We can change the device name and know the complete camera information. We can also format the SD card, change the Wi-Fi network data, share the device and set an access password. All this to customize the camera to our needs. This gives us several possibilities to control access to this mini camera. Another important point is the photo album section. We can look at the photos taken from the application. From there you can share them with family and friends using other applications.